at Colton Con with Glue Down, and today we're doing a spotlight with Encore Concrete.
As an employee-owned company, it's important for Encore to utilize our relationships with trusted partners. These are our suppliers and our vendors that we work with day in and day out. Utilizing trusted partners isn't just about the support we receive when there's issues. It's about the pre-planning support that we have as we're going into our execution mode. We utilize these relationships quite often to come up with better means and methods to continually improve the industry.
Been working with Encore for 8 years already.
With the tilt-up process, what is your favorite job to do?
Carpenter.
Sure. Awesome.
I like to build panels.
How long have you been with Encore?
6 años.
What's the one thing that you love about working with the Encore team?
Es una compañía que nos ha mantenido con trabajo, por eso me gusta trabajar aquí.
What do you think makes your team stronger than others?
Pues que todo el tiempo estamos unidos y nos ayudamos unos con otros. Es lo que nos hace más fuertes.
Our clients often come back to us not because of only the quality and safety that we bring to the table, but it's because of the relationships we have with industry professionals that truly brings a better quality product to the end user. This is one of the reasons that I firmly believe that Encore is the best in town. It's our people, it's our suppliers, and it's our partnerships.